In this video, we are going to be analysing SHPH. So to get straight into it, we can see this stock is quite bearish at the moment. We have sold off over 45% on Friday. So what are going to be key support levels if we continue down? So as of right now, we're kind of holding one around this 915, which is our second deviation on the 10-day chart. So if we break this, what are going to be even closer support levels? And really the only one we have is at around $4. So if we continue to sell off, we are quite stumped on support levels. What we can try and do is go into a 5-day, 5-minute, but again, we run into the same problem of there being no support levels. So really, this stock is going to be hard to buy if you're looking at standard deviation as key technical support. Because again, yeah, there is no support levels really to buy off apart from the $4, but that would still require quite a sharp sell-off. So if we can push down to that, that's what we would be paying attention to. But otherwise, it's just going to have to be the key psychological levels. So $5, $6, $7, $7.50 will also count as a key one. And $8, which could be key levels. But again, it's going to be hard to predict where this bounce is going to happen unless it can push all the way down to $4. Now, on the other hand, what are going to be key resistance levels? Well, now this is a bit easy to predict. And that would be $11.75. If we push past that, it would be $19.25, $25, $29.50, $38, $39.75, $51.75, and $50, and final levels at $55 and $58. Now, these levels probably aren't all that likely going up very far. I mean, yes, we could see a temporary bounce to probably the $11.75, but even going back to around the $20 mark, probably be quite unlikely. We can see this stock just pumped, probably not on any news. I don't believe there was any news, more probably just hype. So seeing this, pushing it back to these levels, this looks more like a dead cat bounce. Obviously it did a push to 125. We then got a secondary push to around 45. So we may get one more relief bounce, which may at a push take us to a $20. But really this stock overall just looks quite weak. And in time we would probably just imagine it continue to fade down. Anyway, that is the breakdown. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video on HDK.